Dzień dobry Państwu, witam Państwa serdecznie, nazywam się Marek Kieżnikowicz.
Hello, my name is Marek Kieżnikowicz and I'm the owner of Elmark Company from Wejherowo. Our company specializes in cable line construction as well as wind farm construction. The video presentation you're about to see was filmed during the construction of wind farm Pongów, where we laid the 110 kV cable line and medium voltage line. Our principal was GDF Suez Green Energy, the direct principal was Airbud Group and consortium member PBDI from Toruń. The total length of the 110 kV line was 22 kilometers. Particular sections between the cable boxes were the length of 1,830 meters, which is the length we had on the cable drums. To show the difficulty level of the project, we would like to take you through the whole process of realization. First, our surveyors make the necessary routing measurements in accordance with the coordinates received from the designers. This is followed by bringing in the machines to make the excavations. In order to start the works, we had to make necessary arrangements with 186 farmers, as the trenches run along their field borders. To make sure that everything is done correctly, we engaged 15 excavators ranging from 8 to over 20 tons, 7 tipper trucks, 2 low loader trucks, cranes and cable trailers. When the digging stage is finished, the surveyors check if the trenches are made properly. They check the X and Y coordinates, as well as the depth of the trenches, as it is an important element in building these lines. The next stage is backfilling of the trenches with bentonite mixture. It is a certified material, a mixture of sand and cement. The mixing takes place in a concrete plant. The mixture is then delivered in open trucks, placed in designated areas on the construction site, and later divided and transported to different locations on the site. From the smaller trucks, the bentonite is unloaded into the trenches, then spread and compacted by the workers to obtain the perfect floor of the trench.
I kolejny etap to jest zagęszczanie w celu uzyskania poprawności dna wykopu. Kolejnym etapem przy budowie jest układanie kabla. Sprzęt, który
The next stage is cable laying.
Bardzo, tak powiem, profesjonalny.
We use only professional equipment, such as winches with 1.5 km long lines and the pulling capacity of up to 10 tons.
Długości 1,5 km.
We also have ancillary equipment, such as special cable rollers, often referred to as dogs. Dogs are used every few hundred meters, usually before a corner, so the cable is pressed tightly to it. The dogs also minimize the pulling tension at the end of the cable.
Żeby kabel był dopychany do załomu, do przepustu, i żeby ułatwić, zminimalizować siłę ciągu na końcówce kabla. Cały proces układania kabli, rozciągania kabli to
The whole process of laying, stretching of the cable is controlled.
Maszyną,
The cable is 100% machine stretched.
Ustawia się siłę ciągu na wciągarce.
The preset winch pulling force is registered to make sure that the cables had not been damaged.
Wydruk i mamy pewność, jasność, że nie nastąpiło żadne przeciążenie danego odcinka. Układamy kolejno 3 żyły, później następuje proces spinania, najpierw znakowania żył.
We lay 3 conduits, mark them and clamp them in a trefoiled configuration. Then everything is inspected and the trenches are backfilled with another 40 centimeters of bentonite, which is compacted, suitable for the placing of tiles.
Mamy też idealną powierzchnię, która jest niezbędna, żeby zacząć kolejny proces układania płytek.
50 centimeter square tiles of 7 centimeter thickness create a protective layer on the entire length of the trench. The work is again inspected and the 110 kilovolt red cable warning tape is laid. Then comes the HDPE pipe, into which an optical fiber cable will be blown in order to establish the connection between GPO Oleśnica and GPZ Pongów. The pipe is then covered with sand, on top of which yellow optical fiber cable warning tape is placed. The backfilling of the trench is finalized and the area organized. The construction of the cable line is finished after the inspection of works. The last stage is the construction of cable boxes and the commissioning of the project.
Po wybudowaniu linii kablowej kolejnym etapem jest budowa mów kablowych. Jest to kolejny element i wtedy oddanie w całości trasy dla zamawiającego, dla użytkownika. Za poświęcony czas, za uwagę.
Thank you for your time, and I hope that you have been convinced that in difficult cases such as the one presented, we are a trustworthy partner. We have the necessary experience, the know-how, equipment and crew you can rely on.
Odpowiedni sprzętem z odpowiednią kadrą, która na pewno Państwa nie zawiedzie, a będziecie mieli Państwo z tego satysfakcję, korzyści i dobrą opinię u Waszych zleceniodawców.
Thank you again for watching.
Do widzenia.